Oh, got the wifes up there now. Oh, yeah. I got the diffs done, front and rear, doing the transmission, but I don't know. It's going to let me focus in or not. That transmission fluid came out this dirty. It was bad. Game phone won't focus on it now. Sorry. It won't focus, but there's water droplets in there. Right about at the end of there. There's a water droplet in there. That's water. How is water getting in there? It seems... I don't get it. Fucking thing.